Hello everybody, it's Aden Wilson here. Let's talk about 6 levels of Claude mastery. A lot of you are not using Claude or the other AI completely and are just leaving so much potential and money on the table. So this will be a quick video, not going to waste any time. Let's get right into it here. If you don't know who I am, I run an agency. We either do it for you or teach you how to do it. 6 levels, 1 ladder. Most people, they never leave level 1. They don't even realize it. So here's the full climb, from the casual questions to the fully autonomous system. There's the amateur, the regular, the integrator, the operator. I'm guessing a lot of you are these 3 right here, the fact that you're on my channel. Then there's the builder and the agent orchestra. Okay, each level compounds on the one before it. Memory, then connections, then delegation, then systems that run themselves. Okay, the amateur. Basically, you're treating AI like a search engine, where everybody's kind of started. One quick question, one answer back, tab closes, the thread's not even carried forward, no memory, no workspace, so the AI has zero context of what you're actually working on, using a sliver of the tool's capacity. Okay, definitely want to level up from there. Okay, the regular turns chats into a workspace, a dedicated project space for each role, for each client, workflow, instead of one long scattered chat. So you might have 10 or 20 projects open. A master prompt built by letting the AI interview you, how you work, your team, your tools. So if you haven't done that yet, do that. The master prompt is great. You say, I want you to interview me for 20 minutes, 30 minutes, whatever you want. Ask me all questions on the business. Go read my site first or my client's site first. And I want to increase the revenue. Once the AI knows you, then it memorizes you, and it will give you a lot better answers, and it memorizes that context forever. Then the reference files, the past examples, and process docs loaded in, so every output matches your standards. So you actually give it access to one of your file docs, okay? So here's the pro move. The master prompt is your ingredients, who you are and how you work. The system prompt is the recipe, okay, the exact process. Add one for the same quality every time. Next, the integrator. Okay, email, calendar, the drive, the chat, connected directly to the Claude, and no more copy and pasting between tabs. By the way, I only run $20 a month on using my Claude, so you don't need to go into the crazy levels, unless you're, of course, corporation doing over, say, 30 million a year with 20, 30 employees. You might run a bill of $100 a month, but this is not expensive tools. So the integrator has visualization and interactive mini apps built right inside the conversation. If you don't have any of those mini apps yet, let me know. I'll either build them for you or teach you how to build them. The browser automation that carries instructions into any site and finishes the task there. Daily habit, ask for a standing update. What's on the calendar, what's outstanding in the inbox, what needs a decision today. It becomes a daily briefing you never have to assemble by hand. You just click that little prompt each morning and it gives it to you, and later you add a skill so it's automated and lets you know when you come in the office. The operator. Now this is going from a doer director, maybe half of you there now, the other half aren't. You're leaving money on the table. System prompts, saved as reusable intellectual property for every reoccurring type of output. Skills built for anything done more than a couple of times a week, packaged and reusable. Scheduled tasks that run on their own and report back with results, no babysitting required at all. So the advanced here is chain skills together. So one request triggers a full pipeline. Research, then the draft, then the review, then the deliver, without you touching each step. The only caveat is right at the end of deliver, if it's for a client, is you say, I will do final approval. And then you get your eyes on there and you double check everything, okay? Always want to do the final approval. On your own company, you can decide to do that or not, depending on what the task is. Some of them I don't do final approvals because it's run so long and I trust my AI and I program it the way I want. Okay, the builder, number 5, shipping real software, not just prompts. Okay, reoccurring processes that run continuously in the background, talking to other tools and systems. One-off tools built to solve a singular project or problem, then retired. Full production applications that manage real workflows from raw data to daily decisions. So before you build, you've got a plan. Always important. Plan before you build. Let the AI ask questions and write a full plan that you approve first. Most wasted cost comes from skipping this step, not from the build itself. And we can build you anything. Number 6, getting up here now. This is where the real fun stuff. This is where the exponential results come from. This is where you get your time freedom back. The agent orchestrator. Okay, human on the loop, but not in the loop. One orchestrator agent directs the work instead of doing it. This is your chief of staff layer. This is an AI agent, the orchestra agent. It manages your other agents. Specialized sub-agents each own a single workflow end to end, and they report back to the orchestra AI agent. Built-in critique, step reviews, and improves output before it ever reaches you. So the shift, you stop processing information yourself and start directing a system that processes it for you. This is the difference between using AI and running on it. Where are you on the ladder? Most people collect features. I use that, I use this, without ever building the habit that makes them stick. Pick one level, commit to using it every day for 30 days. If you're quick, 7 days, and let that compound. Pick the level just above where you operate today. Choose one habit from that level, not 5, okay? Run it daily for the next 30 days before you add the next one. Unless you're like me and you're kind of quick, then you want to do every 5 or 7 days. The quicker you get through it, the more you're going to make, and the more you'll help clients. Are you ready to move up the ladder? Email or DM me. I no longer do the set appointments because it's just a lot easier to jump on a quick 5-minute call, sometimes 15-minute calls, and we'll get right down to brass tacks. If, well, number 1, you want this done for you. It's all custom work. It's custom pricing depending on your goals. 2, you want to learn how to do it yourself, and you want that one-on-one. I don't run communities, okay? No members areas here. I will personally teach you until you understand it 100%. We will do the Zoom calls. We will do the walkthroughs. You will get it guaranteed. I'm not cheap, but I actually guarantee my work, unlike anyone else, and I mean a real full guarantee. So you'll love it. You'll be happy. DM, email if serious.